Saeed, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, good vibe, good
Happy
night,
New Year,
one love.
One love.
Once again, Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve, everyone.
Good vibes.
Good vibe.
Yes.
Sorry.
Take care, brother, yeah?
Thanks, bro. Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you, yeah?
Thank you.
Yes. How's the food? How's the food? Tell
Yeah,
everybody.
yeah, food is very nice. It's like like hot food.
'Cause the
In
first-
cold-
the first-
day when he made the curry goat, I never expected like that curry.
Yeah.
So he gave me good food. When I arrived here before 2 days, I don't have food. He gave me good food. If you don't give me food, I made it. I'm
India.
India.
From India. How long you been here in UK?
4.5 years.
4.5 years. And you had some difficulties while you're here.
Yeah.
You wanna tell us a little bit about the difficulties?
Difficult at the moment I'm homeless.
Yes.
Basically I'm asylum seeker.
Yeah.
Home office didn't give me accommodation, so I'm living in the streets. I moved from Newcastle to Croydon.
Yes.
That time Ringo helped me.
Yes.
When I landed here, if Ringo is not here, maybe I don't know what's my situation going to be.
So today, like, we're just it's Christmas Eve as well.
Yeah.
And we're here, and we just got a little fire here, and we've got a setup here with the 2 tents, and we're also, you have one person with you as well. Yeah. Come this side. Yeah. And you could tell us a little bit about the situation as well.
Yeah, actually I'm college student. Ringo sir helped me so much while I didn't eat any food for 2 days. He helped me food and shelter. He has provided me. I'm thankful for him. I'm thankful for him. I'm thankful for him. He done a lot of service for me, for my friend, and for so many persons. So I've been thankful. I've been grateful for him.
Thank you.
Love
yeah.
to meet you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
People, so you can see that we're just out here, and you know that the living conditions is very, very rough here in London, in Croydon. People, look, it's Christmas, the night before Christmas, and as you can see how some people have to spend their night before Christmas, people, yeah, and it's not nice. Yeah, let me show you what I'm going outside where we are right now. So this is the condition. We've got a fire here, and we've got a setup, which is 1 tent there and 1 tent here. You understand? Imagine even just, it's mad, people, yeah, because could you imagine, like, it's Christmas, these guys here, they're trying. I met them like this week actually, and they came out and they were just on the streets of Croydon, and they just gravitated. Somebody sent them to come down to the market where I was cooking the food, and Saeed, the first person that you heard talking, he was just there, and he waited all day. So I knew he was hungry, and I knew it wasn't a situation because of drugs or alcohol or anything. It was just the bad circumstances that he fell under, and you understand, and not having any money and stuff like that. So he fell into the position of homelessness. And where he's on the streets right now, all he has is just like a tent, like literally a tent. So it's like he's out of his native habitat. He's all the way from India as well, people, yeah. So yeah, I've been helping different people from different ethnicities, yeah, from Europe, from here in the UK, from the Africas, from the Caribbean, from Asia as well, and Saeed here is from India, right, Saeed?
Yeah.
And what's it like? What's it like in India?
Sorry?
What's it like in India?
It's not good situation.
What part of India are you from?
I'm from South India.
South India.
Yeah.
Is it hot there? Is it a cold part?
The weather is at the moment it's very cold.
Yeah.
But compared to here, it's not cold.
Okay.
And and in summer it's going to be too much hot compared to here.
How is it like for work over here in your country?
In India, if you work, you can't make money like compared to UK.
Okay, do you come from like a city or countryside?
Countryside.
You come from countryside?
Yeah.
So it's like a village?
Yeah.
Village. So it's like myself. I come from a countryside as well.
Yeah.
So it's like horses, agriculture.
Agriculture. Yeah.
A lot of agriculture.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not lot of 100% all agriculture done.
All agriculture.
No other job. Yeah.
Okay. So how do you how is work? How is work in your village?
In village is hard not only at the moment, from olden days also it's very hard.
What's like roughly, if you work for one day, how much will you get paid?
Maybe like if we convert that money to UK, we get maybe like 5 pounds max 8 pounds.
That's for the day.
Yeah.
So you can see people here. So the living conditions is rough, and plus the wages that they get per day is between £5 and £8 maximum.
Yeah.
And you have to survive on that.
We can survive, but here prices are different, their prices are different, no?
Yes.
So we can eat food, but we can't spend
Can
money.
you buy electronic stuff?
No.
You can't buy electronic stuff with that money.
No.
So you can just basically just
Yeah,
survive.
basically just survive.
Basically hand to mouth people, yeah. Basically just to feed yourself
Yeah.
and continue.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. We can't buy any other new stuff like if you make.
This is Christmas here in the UK, people, yeah. Christmas Eve, you understand? And this is how rough it is, you understand, people, yeah. We're out. Christmas Eve, you understand, people, yeah. And we're outside right now, yeah. And I thought we was out today in the town, and I just came back out, and I thought, let me just come and check up on Saeed and that and see how they're getting on. So they managed to light some fire in a fire pit that I've provided for them, you understand, so that they can keep themselves warm. They've got a tent, some sleeping bag. It's just basically, it is what it is to basically get through the night and get through the situation at the moment. But we are trying to help individuals like Saeed, people, yeah, you understand? So with you guys' help and some of the donations that you guys are giving, we can help to provide essential things and help these lot on their journey, people like Saeed, people, yeah. Big up yourself, yeah.
Big up, yeah. Thanks so much. Thanks a lot, everyone. And
And
thanks a lot.
how is the food? How's the food? Tell everybody.
Yeah. Food is very nice. It's like like hot food.
'Cause the
in
first-
cold-
the first
day when he make the curry goat, I never expected like that curry.
Yeah.
So he gave me good food. When I arrived here before 2 days, I don't have food. He gave me good food. If you don't give me food, my situation is very bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
So his situation would have been, you understand? He would have been starving basically without the food, people. Yeah. So the food that we're out here providing, and just he's not a local. He's not one of the ones that I feed regularly, but he was just in the situation of being in Croydon, and he ended up finding myself in Croydon, people. Yeah, and I was able to help him with the food. I have good vibes.
Good vibes. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone. Good vibe, one love.
Good Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Good vibe. One love.
One love.
Yeah.
One love, people, yeah. Good vibes. Yes, people, so it's important for us to be on the journey and stay on the mission, because as you can see that there's individuals out here, yeah, like Saeed and his friend. They're from India, you understand? And this is the conditions that they're facing right now here in the UK, yeah. It's not a nice situation, but it's the best situation that is possible, available at the moment. A tent and a sleeping bag, a fire, you understand? And just roughing it out for the night and for the time being until better comes. With the help of you guys, we can able to provide some essential things for people like Saeed and his friend, everyone. So big up yourself. You understand? We're here on the mission. Merry Christmas to everybody that's watching right now. You understand? Let's keep the good vibes and let's keep the good energy. Let's keep sharing the videos. Let's keep supporting. You understand? And let's keep the good energy as always. That is it. So what's happening right now? Saeed is preparing some wood for the fire, and because we're gonna leave right now in a little while, and we're just helping him break up some wood, so that some pallet basically, so that they can keep themselves warm throughout the night tonight. Yeah, man. Saeed is just there on the chair, just chilling out. Yeah, good vibes. Yeah, man. We're there, people.
Inflict the fire. Inflict the fire. We are inflicting the fire.
Them things here we have to go through on Christmas Eve, you know, people, yeah? Yeah, man, them things here we have to go through, said way. You see, so the struggle out here is real. It's not a joke thing. Pallet we out here and mash up for putting a fire. You see what I go on firing? And I think I joke to wanted. Coming like you not even want to block up. Take panny with the heavy boot them there, Terrence. Yeah, man, take panny with the heavy boot them. Because you have the steel two of them. No? Yeah, man, I pop it off, it pop. Yeah, man, slide. Alright. Yeah. A good vibe. Hold on. Yes. Yeah, if you step on him, man. Yeah, now look at it properly. Let me bust this one there, say. Let me bust this. Yeah. Yeah, man. You can't. Yeah. Now you broke, man. You can't just draw off now. Yeah, drop it off. A good vibe. Operate now. Teamwork. Teamwork, yeah. We there help them generally from around India. So a good vibes. We help all nation. You understand, people? Yeah, man, a good vibes. That is it. Yeah. Just pile them up there at one side. Don't put them in the fire. Don't put them all in the fire like that. Just pile them up. No. Put them on the side here. Yeah. Don't put them. Yeah. And you can use this to scrape up them ones there and put them back in the fire still. Yeah, a good fire. Yeah, that is it. We're operate tonight. Quickly. Yes, Terrence. Take part on there.
Yeah, come on. Family. Yeah.
Good vibes.
Wait.
Marky is here as well. You understand?
Merry Christmas.
Yes, Marky's always on the mission with us people, yeah. Mark step out to make sure that the people them here of the community is alright. You understand? We are look
Merry
up.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas, good vibes, one
Good
love.
vibes. You understand? We are look up to the people in our community. That is it. Outside I broke up firewood right now. Sugar pea there helping.
So when fast, you get me? For one question, real quick, just
That
like
is it.
that. Right now in Great Britain, just operating on Christmas Eve, yeah?
That is it. What you do? Operating.
Operating, it's just conducted, you know?
Alright, that is it. Drag out sugar pea out here. Burn up some fire. People them and mash up some wood for you people them. Yep. Alright. Same mission. Mission is real hard. It's not no joke. Yeah, don't you? No. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Put it
a
outside.
minute.
Outside. Yeah. Easy, outside. No, I tell you, would have moved some. So, look at would have moved some.
two, stop. Try the other one.
Yes, man. What do you say? What do you say? Gonna move like that, man. Broke your neck, man. Close now. Pop your neck, man. Yeah. Pop your neck. A good vibe. Your neck to pop. Pop the one your neck too. Now move. So this is where these guys are going to be staying tonight, people, yeah? And the other tent is closed up. Yeah, man, one love to each and every one of you that's been supporting us on the channel, people, yeah? Have good vibes. Big up yourself. Saeed, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, good vibe, good night,
yeah.
one love.
One love.
Once again, Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve, everyone.
Good vibes.
Good vibe.
Yes.
Sorry.
Take care, brother, yeah?
Thanks, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you, yeah?
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, everybody, so that's the sanctuary that they're going to be staying in tonight, you understand? So yeah, man, Merry Christmas, everybody, yeah? That is it. A good vibe, said way. Merry Christmas, everybody, yeah? That is it. That's the last little mission. Until you guys see me again, stay tuned for all the videos that are going to be uploading over this festive period, people, yeah? You understand? That is it. Keep sending through your comments. I'm looking. I soon reply to you guys, yeah? That is it. One love. We're outside. This is a very nice dark Christmas Eve. I forgot me yard now.
Active.
You understand? Mark.
Active.
Yeah?
Active.
Active. That is it. Outside.